Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video, we'll talk about partitive proportion. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to be updated for upcoming informative videos. So, let us have our first example. In a class of 40, the ratio of boys to girl is 3:5. So, how many are girls and how many are boys? So, tignan natin yung order ng mga given. So, for nauna si boys at saka second si girls. So, sa ratio, una ang boy at saka kay girls. So, 3 ang kay boy at saka 5 ay kay girls. So, simply just add the given. 3 plus 5, 8 equals 40. So, divided by 8. No. 40 divide 8 is we have 5. So now, multiply 5 by the ratio of boy and the ratio of girl. 5 times 3, 5 times 3, 5. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 5, 25. Add natin. So that we can make sure na tama yung sagot natin. 15 plus 25 is 40. Oh, so tama. So, in a class of 40, there are 25 girls and 15 boys. Okay, so let's go to our second example. So, our second example is Sarah received 5 votes for every 3 votes that Ben received. If 240 votes were cast, how many votes did Sarah receive? So, ilang boto daw yung nakuha ni Sarah? So, it's quite different from the previous example, but the same para rin yung process natin dito. So, ang given natin is 5 and 3. So, same. Add ang 5 and 3. We have 8. Divide it by 240. So, we have 8. 240 divide 8 is ilan? 240 divide 8. We have 30. 30, okay. So, 30. So, multiply 30 by the number, by the ratio of Sarah. Ito, 5. So, 30 times 5 equals 150. So, from the 240 votes, Sarah received 150 votes. So, let's go to our third example. So, let's have our third example. A family has 180 different kinds of pets. They have cats, they have dogs, cats, and hamsters in the ratio of 7:3 to 2. How many cats do they have? So, be mindful sa mga order ng given. So, first, nauna si dog, second si cat, and third ang hamsters. So, since ang hinahanap ay how many cats, so, pag nalan si cats, pangalawa. So, pangalawa siya dito sa ating ratio na given. So, same process. Add lang natin to si 7, 3 plus 2 equals 180. So, 7, 3 plus 2, 12. So, divide 180 divide 12. We have ilan? Okay, let's calculate muna. Natin yung calculator. 180 divide 12. 15. So, we have 15. So, try lang natin ang 15 times 3 since pangalawa si cat sa given. So, 15 times 3, we have 150. Oh. 45. So they have 45 pets. So a family has 180 different kinds of pets, and from 180 they have 45 pets. So since sikat lang naman yung nahanap, so sikat lang yung isa-solve natin. So yun po, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating video. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na mga upload natin. Thank you for watching and God bless.